In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to view a trial balance in QuickBooks. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go and what to click so you can quickly see whether your debits and credits are in balance. I'll also share a few simple tips along the way to make this process smooth and reliable. Before we begin, make sure you're signed in to your QuickBooks account and that you have access to view reports for your company. Once you're on the main dashboard, look to the left-hand navigation menu. That's where you'll find the reports area. Move your cursor to reports to open it. If your menu is collapsed, just expand it so the labels are visible, then hover over reports. This section is your central hub for financial statements, performance summaries, and of course, your trial balance. Inside reports, you'll see different report groupings and tabs. Choose the standard reports section. Standard reports are the built-in, ready-to-use reports provided by QuickBooks, and they're perfect for common accounting needs. Selecting this area keeps you within the default out-of-the-box view so you can get to the trial balance quickly without worrying about custom settings. Next, look for the search field near the top of the standard reports page. Click into the search box and type the word trial. QuickBooks will start filtering matching reports as you type. This is often the fastest way to find exactly what you need, especially if there are many categories on your screen. If your results show multiple options, focus on the one simply labeled Trial Balance. Now, click on Trial Balance. QuickBooks will open the report showing a list of your general ledger accounts with their debit and credit balances for the selected period. The essence of a trial balance is to confirm that total debits equal total credits, which helps you catch posting errors and ensure your books are structurally sound. You'll typically see asset, liability, equity, income, and expense accounts, each with a balance in either the debit or credit column. If something looks off, this report is a great starting point to identify where to investigate further. A couple of quick pointers as you review the report. If the page seems slow to load, give it a moment, especially for larger company files. If you don't see the report at all, check your user role or permissions, as access to financial reports may be restricted by your administrator. That's it. Hover on reports, click standard reports, type trial in the search field, and click trial balance. You're now ready to review your balances with confidence. So